channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm really happy because I received my Jeffree Star mystery box, and I actually ordered two. I ordered the premium box and I also ordered the mini box. I think that's what it's called. Oh, and if I look all messy and tired and maybe sunburned, is because I just got home from the beach and I'm like really sunburned. Well, my legs are. I'm not sure if my face is. So if I look messy, just ignore that. And I just wanted to film this already because I wanted to show you guys what I got. And yeah. But anyways, here is the box, and it came in this white box. I think both of the boxes are in here. So let's check it out. I've never ordered two boxes at a time, so let's see if both of them are in here. And if they're both in here, I'm only going to be unboxing the premium box in this video, and then I'll do a separate video for the mini mystery box. So let's see. Ta-da! It comes with tissue paper, and it comes with a packing slip, and it comes with a Jeffree Star card. On the back it shows like all the lippies that he has, or liquid lipsticks. So yeah, that's pretty cool. If you guys hear dogs running around and stuff, it's because my mom's dogs are here as well, so they're just like walking around and stuff. Okay, so here are both of the boxes. Here is the mini sample box. I mean, not sample, the mini mystery box, which I will not open today. And here is the premium mystery box. I feel like the boxes look different. I think he did say that he was going to like change the box or something like that. I think it's still kind of cute. I did like the other boxes better. They were like mint colors and stuff. But anyways, let me open this up. I don't want to make this video super long. I want to shower already and relax. I feel like I always open these boxes wrong. No, Bigotes. My mom's dog, Bigotes. He's crying because she's in the shower, so. Okay, so anyways, I got it open already. And this box is actually way smaller than the other boxes. I do have it right here. So as you can see, this is the last premium box that I got from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And well, this is the new one. And as you can see, they are completely different sizes. So hopefully there's good stuff in this one as well. So let's check it out. Ta-da! It comes with pink wrapping paper. And okay, I'm excited, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to open up the first product right here. And what is this? So I got this right here. I think this is a C palette or something like that. I don't know. It doesn't say anything. So let me open this up. So let me know in the comments below if you guys already received your Jeffree Star mystery box, or if you guys didn't get one. I live in California, so I probably got it earlier than other people, so I'm not sure. Okay, so I already took off the wrapping paper, or the plastic on top. And yes, okay, this is a C palette, so you could put single shadows in here. So that's pretty cool. I don't really own that many single shadows, so I guess I'll have to depot some or just buy some. I don't know, we will see. But anyways, it's really cute, and I really like the color of the packaging. And I like that this is like clear, so you can see through. I believe you could fit like 12 shadows in here or something like that. Okay, anyways, so far it's okay, I guess. Okay, let's see. The next product, it is a gloss, and this one is the gloss in the shade Paid in Full. So that's really exciting. I don't have this gloss. I only have two glosses by Jeffree Star, and I do not have this one. So I'm really happy that I got this one. So let's check it out. I'm really excited. I love the color green. So I love how this packaging looks. Okay, so here is the gloss right here. It looks really pretty. I love the packaging, the color. It looks like it would glow in the dark. It would be cool if he actually makes glosses that glow in the dark. So I'm going to swatch it. Oh, that looks really pretty. I love that it has like green shimmers. I'm not sure if you guys could see it, but I really like that. So I'm super happy with this lip gloss. It's really pretty and I love it so far. Now the next product, it is this right here. And let's see, where's the front? Oh, so this is it right here, and it is a lip scrub, and the flavor Rainbow Sherbet. Okay, I'm super excited for this because I love lip scrubs, and I do have like two other ones, but I'm already using one of them, so I don't really mind getting lip scrubs. Oh my gosh, this smells really good. So that's what it looks like, and it actually smells like sherbet. The last mystery box that I got, this thing fell out. Oh, so there you go. You could get it out, but I don't really mind that. So yeah. Anyways, so far I'm happy with the box. Okay, so now let's go into the next product. And so this is a bullet lipstick, you guys. This is what it looks like. The packaging is really cute, and I got the shade Cowboy Kiss. Oh dear, hopefully it's not a brown, because I don't really like brown. Here, I'm going to open it from the bottom, just in case if I don't like the brown, I'll put it in a giveaway or something, because I already have a palette that I want to add into a giveaway. Okay, so here is the lipstick. I really love the packaging. It looks super pretty. It looks so cool. It says lip balm right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says lip balm. So is it not a lipstick, or what is this? It says a soft innocent touch of color, hydrating, silky, necessary, bring your lips back to life. Tinted lip balm. Oh cool. So maybe I will keep this. Do you twist this or what? No, you pull it up. But it's brown though, I don't know. So this is what it looks like. I'm not sure how this is a lip balm. It looks brown, and I don't like brown lipstick. So I don't know. I'm not going to swatch it, just in case I put it in a giveaway or give it to my mom or something. We will see. But anyways, I did not swatch it, and I'm putting it back in the box. Okay, now the next product, holy crap. I got 3 single shadows, you guys. That is so cool. Okay, so now I could use my C palette. So I got Root Canal, and it's this one right here. And it says that it's a pressed pigment. So I'm really excited about this. I'm going to put it right now on in my little C palette. Ooh, this is a pretty purple. Look at that, you guys. So pretty. Come on back here. I'm going to put a single shadow in you. Oh my gosh. This looks really pretty. Okay, so far I really like this box, you guys. That's the first shadow, and it looks pretty. I will be swatching it right now. So there it is, very pretty. I like this a lot. Now the next one, it is FUCK, and it is also a pressed pigment, and it's a pretty orange. I feel like this shadow is in the Jawbreaker palette, but I mean, I don't mind having 2 of them because I like orange shadows. This almost fell on the ground. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a pretty orange. It kind of looks pink on the camera, but let me swatch it. Okay, it is like a pinky orange actually. That's it right there. It looks really pretty. Well, those 2 colors would go really pretty together. Okay, now the last single shadow, it is Raspberry, and it's this one right here. This is a very pretty color. So I'm going to swatch it. Okay, this texture right here feels like more powdery than the other ones. The first 2 singles didn't feel powdery. They felt buttery. I feel like that rhymes. Okay, so there you go. That's what it looks like. It looks really pretty as well. So I'm really happy with these 3 singles. So anyways, here they are. So far it looks really nice, and I really like it. This kind of bothers me that there's a gap right there. I wish it would have been more tighter, but whatever. So far, I'm super happy with my C palette. Okay, now the last product, you guys, it is a palette, and it's this right here. And I believe this is his new mini palette. I'm super excited, you guys. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Ta-da! Here is the Star Ranch palette. This is what the packaging looks like. I really like the texture of this. It feels like wood. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks really cool. But anyways, let's take a look at the palette and see if it's pretty. Okay, so here is the palette. It looks kind of cute. I just wish the horses were like the actual color. I don't know. I grew up in a ranch, so this is kind of cool to me. But let's take a look at the color story. Oh, this is pretty nice. Okay, it has blues and browns and like a touch of green. Okay, I do like the color story. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I was actually hoping for a little bit more of like green or something, or more colors. I feel like it has too many browns. Or I don't know, does it? I don't know. I still feel like the palette is really cute, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be using the browns, just the blues. I do like the names. I think they're really cute, but it's not what I expected. I will not be swatching it today because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. But if I do end up keeping it, you guys will see it in a future video. Let me know if you guys got this palette. What do you guys think of it? Or if you guys didn't get it, what do you guys think of it? Do you guys think like it's too plain or something? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below because I would like to know what you guys think. Anyways, that is everything that I got in my premium mystery box. I feel like it was worth my $60. I got 3 single shadows in the C palette. I got this palette and I got the sugar scrub or the lip scrub, and of course I really like the lip gloss. It's really pretty. And then I also got the bullet lipstick or lip balm, the tinted lip balm, which I'm not sure about this because I don't like how brown looks on my lips. I don't really like the color brown, like for eyeshadow or nail polish or lipstick or anything like that. Anyways, yeah, and that's everything that I got. So I'm happy with my box. I was just a little disappointed with this lip balm. I was hoping to get a different color, but oh well. But anyways, let me know if you guys also got this box. What do you guys think of it? And also please give me a thumbs up because that would help me a lot and I would really appreciate it. And I would also appreciate it if you guys subscribe to my channel. I will try to do better videos and not look too crappy. But yeah, so anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.